So the party season is never ending, and that's why I've decided to do this glam look. Well, glam because I'm using glitter. So it's something that I call the quick party look. By the way, this is Naima and welcome to Foxy. So let's get started. So I've pretty much done my base, and it's not again too much coverage because this is a quick party look. Quick because I feel like if you're running late and say you're back from work or something and you have to go somewhere, you don't have too much time to get ready. This look is super easy to do and it's super quick. I'm using a few products. I've done my base. I've kept it super minimal. So even if you don't go crazy with your base, maybe we'll just let the glitter go crazy in this look. I am going to be using the Stila Cosmetics glitter. So it's rose gold. And before that, remember, anytime you're using like glitter glue or glitter powder or anything, it's very important to put a base underneath. So if I've put my primer already, I'm going to use a little bit of eyeshadow because that kind of, creates a base under the eye, and it gives it power to stay, and it looks like there's more depth in it, not just using glitter. So since I'm using a rose gold glitter, I'm just going to pull out like a rose gold brownish eyeshadow from my palette. Gonna go over my eyelids. And this is not even gonna show once the glitter is there, but I'm just creating a base. And I'm gonna take the glitter and go over this on my entire eye. Again, this is completely customized, personalized. It completely depends on how crazy or all out you want to go with glitter. The thing with these glitter glues is sometimes you have to, kind of take a brush or your finger once you've applied it to kind of pat it out and blend it, because we don't want any harsh lines, because then it tends to look really, really patchy. And it's a lot of glitter, huh? How much more party can this be? How much more glam can this be? And these Stila glitters are actually really good. They're like so all out, like you can see. I'm going to skip the eyeliner. Again, this is optional. I'm using the Full Exposure Mascara from Smashbox. Because ideally, I would use eyelashes on this look. So if you have the option, use eyelashes. Eyelashes and mascara always add to a glam party look. I just want to keep this super glam and natural at the same time, so I'm avoiding the eyelashes. And then you have the option of applying glitter at the bottom outside the waterline. That's if you want, but I feel like it may become a bit much. So I'm going to skip that. Since I told you already that my base was done, but there's been a little bit of eyeshadow fallout, which I'm just going to correct with a little bit of compact. Just under my eyes. Now to finish this look, I'm going to use blush, and I'm using Plum from Bobbi Brown. And especially because I use like a brownish pink undertone, the base that I put before my glitter, and because it's rose gold glitter, I'd like to stick to a pinkish blush. Ideally, if you were doing gold or like a brown or deep brown, you could even use something that was like, a tinted orange. Also, if you feel like you want this look to be super sleek and all out, you can also contour, because that will kind of enhance your face and your features and it'll look top. highlighter is so important, so therefore Soft and Gentle from MAC. For every party look, just doing nothing and just adding highlighter can bring out the whole party element. And because I've used glitter, I'm not going to put too much highlighter, but it's a must above your blush and on your T-zone. A little bit here, just down your nose bridge, because these are the areas that pop out of your face, are protruding outwards, and that's where you use highlighter. And to finally finish this look, I'm using Dead Roses from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's like a pinkish nude that would match perfectly with rose gold. And to just sort of bring out the party element, I'm using this transparent lip gloss from Naked. You can use any transparent, translucent lip gloss that doesn't have too much color and that's like slightly tinted, or even if you want it to be more out there, more glittery, more glam, you can always add a little bit of, you know, glitter eyeshadow or use a lip gloss that has glitter in it. But just remember to like keep it on the pout. I'm not a fan of glosses, and especially if you're attending a party or an event that's going to be outdoor, because any girl who applies lip gloss is going to know the struggle about how your hair is flying all over and continuously sticking to your lip, and we want to avoid that. To see where you're going, where you're going to be, how long you're going to be. Matte lipsticks are my complete go-to, but I just felt like in this look, because there's like glitter, highlighter, I wanted to add a little bit of gloss. So this is how I would do my makeup if I was in a rush and if I had to get somewhere and if I didn't have too much time to do like an entire look, because even though it's a few easy steps, just the glitter element always brings out that little dressy atmosphere. I hope this video was helpful and you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to follow Poxy Makeup Tips on Instagram. You can also find me on Instagram as Makeup and Hair by Maliha. Thank you for watching. Maliha love.